Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has just launched an exciting initiative called the Gems of India Challenge. This nationwide program is designed to discover and celebrate grassroots digital creators from every corner of the country. The goal is to encourage authentic storytelling, highlight the unique culture, tradition, and achievements of India's diverse districts. By inviting everyday people to share their stories through short video, the challenge aims to bring local voices. Gems of India Challenge is hosted on the innovative My Waves platform, part of the Waves OTT ecosystem. This digital space is specially designed to empower creators by giving them a platform to showcase their talent. Participants are invited to produce short video, each lasting between 1 and 3 minutes that capture the essence of their home district. Whether it's about local festivals, historical sites, or unique tradition, the challenge encourages creators to bring their community. Pilot phase of the challenge is being rolled out in select regions, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, Goa and Ladakh. This targeted launch allows the organizers to test and refine the program before expanding it nationwide. By starting in these diverse locations, the ministry aims to capture a wide range of stories and cultural expression. Local cultural and educational institutions are also involved. Heart of the Gems of India Challenge is the belief that every district has a unique story to tell. The initiative empowers local creators to become storytellers for their community, shining a light on tradition, history, and achievements that might otherwise go unnoticed. By focusing on grassroots participation, the program celebrates the creativity of young content creators and the rich diversity of India. It's not just about making video, it's about building pride and connection. Success of the challenge relies on strong partnerships. The pilot phase is being implemented with the support of Prasar Bharati, My Bharat, state government, and district administration. Local cultural and educational institutions play a key role in mobilizing creators and developing content. In addition, global technology giants like YouTube and Meta have joined as partners, helping to promote the challenge through their vast creator community and digital networks. This collaborate. Motivate participation, the ministry has introduced an attractive 3-tier award structure. At the district level, up to 20 winners in each district will receive 50,000 each. From these, one creator per district will be selected for a state-level award of 2 lakh. The best entries from across the country will then compete for national awards of 5 lakh each. This system not only rewards creativity, but also ensures that talent is recognized. Mission window for the pilot phase is open from August 8 to August 31, 2026. During this period, participants can upload their original video through the My Waves section of the Waves OTT platform. Each video should be between 1 and 3 minutes long and must showcase the unique aspects of the creator's district. The process is designed to be simple and accessible, encouraging as many people as possible to take part. This open call is a great opportunity. Gems of India Challenge is more than just a competition. It's about building a vibrant ecosystem of digital creators across the country. By encouraging user-generated content, the My Waves platform aims to strengthen India's digital creator community. The long-term vision is to create a network of storytellers who document and promote the unique identity of every district. Insights from the pilot phase will be used to refine the program before expanding it to all states. Summary: the Gems of India Challenge is a powerful initiative that celebrates the creativity and diversity of India's people. By giving grassroots creators a platform to share their story, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is helping to build a more inclusive and dynamic creative economy. This challenge not only recognizes individual talent, but also strengthens the bonds that connect community across the nation. As the program expands, it promises to uncover